Let me ask you something, how do you spend your 24 hours? Each day, we are all given the same amount of time, 24 hours. No more, no less. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, or what you do, time is the one thing we all have in common. But the difference between those who achieve their dreams and those who don't lies in how they use those hours. Time is life's most precious gift. Think about it, time is the currency of life. You can always earn more money, but you can never earn more time. Once a moment is gone, it's gone forever. That's why every second matters. The time you spend today is building the life you'll live tomorrow. So ask yourself, are you using your time to grow? Are you spending it on things that truly matter? Or are you letting it slip away on distractions and procrastination? Success is built hour by hour. Greatness isn't achieved in a single day, it's built 1 hour at a time. The most successful people aren't necessarily the smartest or the most talented, they're the ones who make the most of their 24 hours. Spend an hour learning something new. Dedicate time to your goals, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. Prioritize what matters most and let go of the things that don't add value to your life. Remember, small efforts made consistently lead to big results. The power of choices. Every day, you make choices. You choose how to spend your time, what to focus on, and what to let go of. These choices shape your future. You can spend your time chasing your dreams, or you can waste it scrolling through your phone. You can use your hours to improve yourself, or you can let them pass without purpose. Choose wisely, because time is the one thing you can never get back. Overcoming procrastination. I know it's easy to say, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow isn't promised. You don't have unlimited time. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. The perfect moment is now. Take that first step, even if it's small. Start today, because every delay pushes your dreams further away. Make time for what matters. Your 24 hours aren't just about work, they're about balance. Spend time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and take care of yourself. At the end of your life, you won't look back and wish you had spent more time on distractions. You'll cherish the moments that mattered, the time spent building relationships, chasing your dreams, and living fully. One final thought. You only have 24 hours in a day. What you do with those hours determines your success, your happiness, and your future. So don't waste them. Use them wisely. Dream big, work hard, and make every second count. Because when you master your time, you master your life. Thank you for watching.